Welcome! Today I will show you how to update software on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the Settings app, scroll a little bit down and choose System Updates function. Here, tap on the Check for Updates position. Alright, everything looks good. So we are on the last Android version, but if you will get another notification, something like you have new version of OS to download and install, you can follow the steps on the screen and install it. Also, you can find Smart Updates function here. So updates are downloaded and installed automatically when you are connected to Wi-Fi. And also you can check update history of your device here. So now you know how to update software on Motorola Edge 70. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and if you have some questions, comment them below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.